Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Alt-Tab not working problem on Windows 11. Having trouble with the Alt-Tab not working problem on your Windows 11 device? Don't worry, because in this hands-on guide, I'm going to talk about some pretty reliable ways to fix this annoying problem. For those unfamiliar, this handy shortcut lets you quickly switch between open apps, but if it is unresponsive, it can disrupt your workflow. Several factors can cause this issue, including system settings, background processes, or even keyboard malfunctions. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to restart the Windows Explorer on your PC. Bear in mind that Windows Explorer is designed to thoroughly control the desktop environment. As a result, any glitch like going the Explorer might make Alt-Tab malfunction. To get rid of the Windows Explorer related glitch, you'll have to restart it. To do so, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys at once to launch Task Manager. And then you have to click on the Processes tab located in the left sidebar. And then you have to locate Windows Explorer. Then you have to right click on it and choose the Restart option in the menu. After that, you have to restart your PC and check if the Alt-Tab has started to work as usual. Then I will recommend you to update your keyboard drivers. When was the last time you updated the keyboard drivers on your PC? If you're not sure, be sure to update them, as the outdated keyboard driver could be hurting the shortcut functions. To do so, you have to click on the Start menu and then search for Device Manager and launch it. Then you have to expand the keyboard section. After that, you have to right-click on your keyboard and select the Update Driver option in the menu. And then you have to select Search automatically for drivers, and then you have to proceed to update your keyboard drivers. And once you have successfully updated your keyboard drivers, restart your PC and check if the Alt-Tab has started to work on the expected lines. Should the problem still persist, I will recommend you to update your PC, because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the Alt-Tab from functioning properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app and get into the Windows Update section. Then you have to click on Check for Updates, and then you have to proceed to download and install the latest version of Windows on your PC, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Alt-Tab not working problem on Windows 11. Hopefully you have managed to get a better at the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Now I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.